How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. So open settings and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can go ahead and switch between networks, that is, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, you can then go ahead and try to force quit Instagram. So open Instagram and swipe up on your screen and then close Instagram along with all the apps running in the background. Once force quitted, open Instagram again and see if that fixes your issue or not. If not, then launch the settings application again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, navigate to Instagram and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go back to the login screen and make sure that you have entered correct username, email number, or phone number, and you have entered your correct password. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also recover your password by tapping on the forgot password option you see there. And also, if you have received a login code, then you can try to go ahead and check your mail and check the spam and junk folder there and see if the login code is gone there. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open settings again and make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as Instagram may block your login if you have been using VPN and if you log in from suspicious login country rather than your regular country. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram. Make sure the Instagram app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. And if not, then you can also go ahead and update the app further. Also, if your issue is still not fixed, then you can go ahead and in your home screen tap hold on the Instagram application and further tap on the remove app option you see there, and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Once deleted, go ahead and reinstall the Instagram application from your app store, as this will give your app a fresh restart. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram not letting you log in. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.